in a while, so if I mess up, don't laugh.
We love you.
I'm just kidding. Okay, so today's safe word is pineapples. If you hear something you like, just say pineapples and I'll rewind.
Or something we like? Something we should say pineapples? Like. Oh, okay. All right, cool.
I know it's the opposite.
All right,
you guys
cool.
ready?
Ready.
Okay. Sex with you is like the taste of the forbidden fruit that makes you feel like you want to continue sucking, savoring each
pineapples.
bite.
Pineapples.
Hold on.
Wait a minute. Sex with you is like the taste of the forbidden fruit that keeps you wanting to suck softly, savoring each bite. With soft fingers playing intermission between our legs, it's like two rivers dancing to the salsa. Deep between thick sheets, sticky with lust, this bedroom is on fire.
Wait.
You ready?
Can I get one of those fast ones? I need another one.
Woo! There's a lot of pineapples in the building. Okay, you ready?
Go. We ready.
With soft fingers playing intermission between our legs, it's like two rivers dancing to salsa. Deep between thick sheets, sticky with lust, this bedroom is on fire. Sweet sweat drips down my body. The taste of you is better than food. It's the nectar of the heavens, masked between sweet honey flavor with the taste of pineapples.
Pineapples! Woo!
Oh, Lord. I'm getting hot. I feel like I should have a fan right here.
It's right there. There's the black Rolodex fans are right there.
Okay.
Go ahead, girl.
That feels amazing.
Pineapple.
Sit already. Sweet sweat drips down my body. The taste of you is better than food. It is the nectar of the heavens, maxed into sweet honey and flavored with the taste of pineapples. So sweet, I crave you. I demand all of you. I take all of you. Every delicious inch, I lick you from my fingers, wet from the flow, slowly becoming intoxicated with pleasure. My lips cover you, never wanting to lose connection. We spin in silk sheets, rubbing wet spots to wet spots with moist tongues collaborating to perfection. I don't even know where to start over on that one. I lick you from my fingers, wet from your flow, slowly becoming intoxicated with your pleasure. My lips cover you, never wanting to lose connection. We spin in sweet silk sheets, rubbing wet spots to wet spots with moist tongues collaborating to perfection. Sex with you is like breathless moments of climax and submission. Bound to you with silver links, I am your safe word. You, my name. I can't with you guys. I'm pretty sure I'm like turning red. Oh my God.
Wait, damn, I'm scared to hear the next part.
Oh my God. It's not even done yet. Okay. Oh damn. I lick you from my fingers, wet from your flow, slowly becoming intoxicated with pleasure. My lips cover you, never wanting to lose connection. We spin in silk sheets, rubbing wet spots to wet spots with moist tongues collaborating to perfection. Sex with you is like breathless moments of climax and submission. Bound to you with silver links, I am your safe word. You, my name, softly whispering, my touch, my taste is everything. I let you slap it and watch the waves of desire bounce back. Stay here, lover, never leave my side. Deep inside, deeper inside, you have carved the memory.
Hold on, wait.
You cannot say pineapple after every line.
Yes, they can though. But they can though. That's definitely the rule. She's got it.
I'm following everything.
Bound to you with silver links, I am your safe word. You, my name, softly whispering, worshiping my touch, the taste of you and me, everything. I let you slap in and watch the waves of desire that bounce back. Stay here, lover. Never leave my side. Deep inside, deeper inside, you have carved the memory of your bountiful love, delivering swift strokes, soft and hard. You play tango with my spot. How you find the trigger each time never escapes me.
Tango with my spot. that though.
You deliver me. Thick and honey drips from my legs, exciting my soul. You pull orgasms from my core. Yeah, that was on you. That one was on. You deliver me. Thick and honey drips from my legs, exciting my soul. You pull orgasms from my core. Sex with you is a conversation between gods. Feeding our own inspiration, we are fire and ice. I ignite you, and your touch chills my inner blaze. Tickling my fantasy, I wake up to you, fall deep for you. And when you're away, I dream of you. Wet dreams of you devouring my body. Your tongue dances to the beat of the music. My hips move to the beat. Not you too. I can't, y'all. Okay. Tickling my fantasy, I wake up to you, fall deep for you, and when you're away, I dream of you. Wet dreams of you devouring my body. Your tongue dances to the beat of the music. My hips move to the beat of your touch. You control me. Every curve, lemon-coated, honey-shined inch of you. Spell my name with your tongue, baby. Speak every word. Sip, baby. Don't stop here. I have enough energy for round 2. I'm gonna repeat that one because I think we all missed it. Okay, ready? Thank you. Jesus. Spell my name with your tongue, baby. Speak, soak up every word, every sip, baby. Don't stop here. I have enough energy for round 2.
Lyric, follow her on Instagram. She also has a paint studio, like an art studio. Sip and Paint Smile. Right? Yeah, so if y'all want to go and have your little sip and paint parties and smile, or drink and paint party, that's the same thing as sip, right?
Yeah.
Smoke and paint party, she allows that. Yes.
Smoke and paint, I will be there.
So,
When you open, girl?
We did open.
Okay, we're
link up with her. The next Nigga Sunday might be at her spot, so.
Oh, yes, we're gonna need that because we like to smoke.
So yeah, get her business cards. Sip, paint, smile, smoke, paint,
Follow us on
smile.
Instagram at Sip, Paint, Smile. Kr8tionzByLiric is Kr8tionzByLiric. And you can follow our cannabis night at Cannabis Creations.
Oh shit! I don't know. We had to separate. Oh, okay.
I do LLCs.
Big brother.
I do LLCs. Anybody need LLCs? I do LLCs. That's not a
And this is the part of the reason why we're here, to network and to get your businesses out there and to meet new people and incorporate, is that the word, with other companies and all that good stuff. So mingle a little bit. We're gonna chill for a little bit. DJ's gonna play some more smooth ass music for us for a little bit, and then we're gonna jump into the talk. What time is it now? 7:18. So let's say 7:30 we talk. Sounds good?
Sounds good.
All right, cool. DJ.
And I also am a web developer, so if you ever need a website, you know, black girl in tech, you know what I'm saying, just graduated, computer